Welcome friends. In this tutorial we learn about the inheritance. A language feature would not be worth of the name class without supporting inheritance. The syntax for a derived class definition looks like this: class, derived class name, and in the bracket base class name, then statement 1 to statement n. The name base class name must be defined in a scope containing the derived class definition. In place of a base class name, other arbitrary expressions are also allowed. This can be useful, for example, when the base class is defined in another module, class, derived class name, and in the bracket mode name dot base class name. Execution of a derived class definition proceeds the same as for a base class. When the class object is constructed, the base class is remembered. This is used for resolving the attributes reference. If a requested attribute is not found in the class, the search proceeds to look in the base class. This rule is applied recursively if the base class itself is derived from some other class. Derived classes may override methods of their base classes because methods have no special privileges when calling other methods of the same object. A method of a base class that calls another method defined in the same base class may end up calling a method of a derived class that overrides it. Python has two built-in functions that works with the inheritance. The first one is use isInstance. It is check an instance type, and the second one is subclass is to check class inheritance. Now we see the multiple inheritance. Python supports a limited form of multiple inheritance as well. A class definition with multiple base classes looks like this: class, derived class name, and in the bracket base class name 1, base class name 2, base class name 3, and the write statement 1 to statement n. With new style classes, dynamic ordering is necessary because all cases of multiple inheritance exhibit one or more diamond relationship. For example, all new style classes inherit from object, so any case of multiple inheritance provides more than one path to reach object to keep the base classes from being accessed more than once. Thank you friends.